Yes, any questions to anyone regarding yesterday's lecture?
No,
And
sir.
one more thing is there, I've got messages from 2 students that the recordings haven't been uploaded. So sorry for that. It will be uploaded just after this class, okay? So
Okay.
don't be panic. Yeah, don't be panic. Inshallah, it will be uploaded sooner and you can go through that. And make sure that you have just watched all the recordings till now, before that also.
Yeah.
Good, good. Keep up. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me directly. Apart from this one, do you have any problems with yesterday's lecture?
No, sir.
All right. So the homework, please. The people who are remaining for the homework, they can go ahead and they can continue it. So first of all, day 2. Have you finished day 2, all of you? Who will speak first? Yes?
So can I?
Yes, ma'am. Very good. Speak up.
Yes, sir.
Come on
So
the camera. Come on the camera.
wait.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Mehi Khan. Today I'm going to tell about sentence of dares. She dares to talk on stairs. She dares to walk on stairs. She dares to talk with us. They dares to go in the time. We dare to dance.
Day 2.
He dares to complete. We dares to dance. He dares to
Day 2.
complete
Day 2.
his work.
Not
We
dares to.
dare to.
Day 2.
Dares
Correct.
to. We dares to.
No, we dare to.
We dare to
I with
complete his.
it. No S, no A's.
Yes.
I, you,
We
we,
did.
they, no S, no ES. So we dare to,
Okay, sir.
not dares to.
We dare to complete his task. Sorry, complete task. He dares to laugh. She dares to attend the lecture. She dares to spend money. He dares to tell a lie. They dare to write assignment. It dares to throw a ball. It dares to notify. It dares to cry. He
Dares
dares
to.
to happy. You dare to speak. He dares to happy. You dare to speak English. Thank you.
Okay. He dares to be happy. He dares to be happy. Happy is an adjective. For that, we are going to use the be. Good girl. Have you written yourself all these word mean sentences?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Just remember, some at the beginning, some of the sentences as you have this made sentences there, which are wrong. Like for example, dare to and dares to. Are you with they? Dare to, he, she, it, dares to. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. Next one, please. Next, please. Mr. Ramesh. Are you ready?
Read very few sentences, not much.
Okay. 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 Still speak up.
Yeah.
Good.
So I'll talk about dares to. I dare to swim in sea. He dares to climb the mountain. She dares to speak in public. It dares to put her into jail. They dares they dare to protest for her. It dares to keep them quiet, and she dares to catch fish.
Good.
He dares to help her in that. Yeah.
Good. Good. At least it is really good. Very good. Next one, Jai. Jai. Hello, Jai. Am I audible to all of you? Hello. Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Jai, are you ready?
सर कैन
Okay,
आई
Miss Shaima. Yes.
एक्चुअली मैंने डेयर का नहीं किया बट आई वांट टू स्पीक टू यूज टू एंड नीड टू.
Very good. Very good. Speak up, please. On the camera. Good. Yes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to share with you my childhood memories. In my childhood days, I used to wake up early for school. My mother used to cook food for my lunch box. I used to request her to make Maggie and a sandwich. Then I go to school.
I used to.
Then I used to go to school. Then I used to meet my best friend Nitu. We used to sit on same bench. We used to talk aloud. Then teacher gave us some homework, so I need to study for that. I used to rank in top five student. Then one day Nitu changed the school in fifth standard. Then I think to her. I When I went to school, I need to meet her, but then I used to ask my teacher, did she came to school? Then I thought
Did she
I
come?
needed, yeah,
Did
did
she
she came?
come?
Did she come to school?
Very good.
But I thought I needed to take her number. After 10, I left the school. I thought I need to create FB account. I need to search her, but I never found her. In TY, coincidentally, I met her mom near my grandmother house. So I thought I needed to take Neetu's number from her mom. So finally, I met her. So this is how we met after 10 years. That's why.
Good. Good. Very good. Very good. So you can just make some more sentences of need to and used to and need to. Okay. You can just make some more sentences and you can add there. It was a good time as you have just shared here. It was really nice. I like it.
Yes.
Only some sentences are there. They must be modified. That's it.
ओके
Good
डेयर टू
one.
का सर मैं कल दूंगी.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Good. Next one. Jay.
Yes, sir.
You are live. Yes. Homework, please.
सर टुडे एक्चुअली मैं ऑफिस में था तो कर नहीं पाया मैं.
Okay. Okay. But
तो मैं
tomorrow
इसका
I
कल
want it.
कंप्लीट. श्योर सर, श्योर, डेफिनेटली.
Okay. Next. Miss Aisha. Yes. Homework, please. Good.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aisha Sheikh. I would like to tell about We used to live in Delhi. In our society, the children used to run daily. They used to play in garden. They used to making lots of noise. They used to disturbing all. When we used to go late school, the sir used to punish us. Manisha used to be late. Used to become late in
Used
school.
to be late.
Used
Or
to
used
be
to come late. Both are correct. Okay. Yeah. But we can't use the two verbs together. We can't say Manisha used to become late. We can say Manisha used to be late or Manisha used to come late.
Okay, sir. Our school time is early in morning. That's why the children not used to come on time. We did not used to complete our homework. That's why the ma'am used to punish us. Thank you. Used to
Good one. English में बोलने का English में बोलने का madam. Don't speak
Yes.
Hindi. Next. Used to. Next. Need to.
I need to go school daily. That's
Need to
why I
go to
need
school.
Need
to go to school
Need to
daily.
go to school.
Yeah.
Need to go to school daily. That's why I needn't go for private classes. We don't play in me. We need to complete our assignment daily. I need to eat all food which given in my tiffin. I need to aware of this. I need to go home on time. Huh?
Lunchbox, not tiffin.
What's that?
Lunchbox, not tiffin.
Dad need to wear seat belt while driving a car. You didn't talk on mobile during the meeting. He need to some money. We need to support our
Needs.
grandparents.
Okay. He needs to need
He
some
needs
money.
to
He needs to have
support
some
our
money.
grandparents.
Yeah. Continue.
Some money.
Yeah. He needs to have some
Dare
money,
to.
or he
In
needs
my
to
childhood,
ask for some
I
money.
dare to.
Okay. Continue.
In my childhood, I dare to go washroom alone.
Continue.
I dare to watch Conjuring parts alone. Do you dare to trust him blindly? He dares to drive a car on highway. She daren't question her parents. The monkey dares to snatch the food from people. He dares to go in front of dangerous buffalo. I dare to ride on horse. He dares to be excited for presentation. He dares to dance in audition.
Very good. Done.
Thank you.
Good. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Only some of the sentences are there, madam, which should be modified. Okay. Otherwise, you're making really good. I like it. Good one. Anyone else? Anyone else would like to make any? Okay, let's go for the next one. Now, these are the topics which are remaining. So I do believe we should complete our determiners first. As I've just told you yesterday only, that we are going to go for our determiners. That's what today is, what, 15th of July 2021. Now let's go ahead and let's finish our this topic, and then we are going to move ahead. All right. Now determiners in English. Okay. We have multiple determiners in English, as we know well before. Also, we have finished some of them. Correct. Now determiners are what? What is the another word for determiners?
Conjunction.
No. Quantifiers. Yes or no?
Sorry, quantifier.
Correct. Determiners are what? Quantifiers. Correct. If you see there, all the determiners are kind of quantifiers only. All the determiners are kind of quantifiers. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Good one. Now, if you see here, all the determiners are what? A kind of quantifiers only in English. Now, today we are going to finish this topic. Hope so. Okay. Hope for the best. If it is possible for us to finish perfectly, we are going to finish it sooner. All right. Intensifiers we are going to have later. So determiners are today. Very easy topic. We already have finished half of it. We're going to complete it today itself, and then we're going to go ahead for the next one. Now, determiners are what? The quantifiers in English. Now, when do we use determiners? A countable noun, when it is singular, must always have a determiner in front of it. Always remember, whenever you are talking about a singular countable noun, you always put there a determiner. Yes or no? Whenever you talk about a singular countable noun, you always put there a determiner. And if you don't put there, it will become absolutely wrong. Now, for example, how? Now, some of the people are there, while making sentences, you people also, when you make sentences and you don't put there a determiner, it becomes absolutely wrong. For example, I went to bank. The sentence is absolutely wrong. It is incorrect. Why? Why? See, it is giving wrong. Underline is there. Why? Because bank is a singular countable noun. Am I right?
Yes.
अरे dumb
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
बात में बैठे रहे?
Yes,
Answer me
yes.
yes
sir.
or no. Yeah. So bank is a singular countable noun. Correct. Now always remember, whenever you are writing a singular countable noun, it must contain a determiner before it. A, an, or the. The basic determiner in English, the basic quantifier in English, what are those? Those are what?
A and the.
Correct. We have the three articles in English which are really basic. A, an, or the.
The.
Yes or no? We have already
Yes.
finished the rule of a and the. When do we use a, when do we use and, when do we use the? Correct. I've showed you this before. So this is what exactly you're going to have here. A and the before it. A and the before it. For example, I went to dash
The.
bank. I went to,
The.
correct. I went to the bank, or
A bank.
correct. We can use there. I went to the bank, or I went to a bank. I think there. So the came as a determiner. Any doubts to anyone? ओ भाई समझा?
No, sir.
भाइयों बहनों समझा? समझा?
Yes, sir.
सिंपल
Yes,
है,
sir.
बहुत सिंपल है, ज्यादा कुछ दिमाग पे लोड लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो वहां पे वही बोल रहा है ना. फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैड dash, I had apple. If I write like this, it will become wrong. Why? See, underline is there. Why?
An apple.
I had an
Correct. It
apple.
must be an apple. Why? See here, an apple. So always remember, whenever there is a singular countable noun, there must be a determiner. There must be a determiner. For example, it is car. If I write like this, it will be wrong. It must be what? It is
It is a car.
correct, a car. See, I'm clicking here, suggestions. For suggestions, it is showing a car. A. So whenever you are writing a singular countable noun, it must always contain a determiner in front of it. And the basic determiner are called articles in English, and they are only three. What are those? A,
And
and
the.
the. Correct. For example, I went to the bank. I had an apple. It is a car, etc. Next one. Now, if as you can see here, we have multiple kind of determiners in English. Now, in the plural form, it can be used with a determiner or without a determiner. कितनी बड़ी बात बोला देखो. बड़ी बड़ी कुछ नहीं, हमारे को कॉमन सेंस की बात लिखा हूं मैंने वहां पर वो. Now, for the plural forms, we can use determiners and we can use without determiners. Yes or no? Am I right?
Yes.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने ये पहले भी आपको बता चुका हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दीज आर कार्स. ये हमारा सेंटेंस हुआ था, याद आ रहा है आप लोगों को, लॉन्ग टाइम बैक.
Yes, sir.
So these are
Yes,
cars.
sir.
Absolutely correct sentence. Plural countable noun is there what? Cars. Correct. And I haven't put there any sort of determiners. मैंने कोई determiner लगाया कि इधर?
No.
नहीं.
determiner मतलब क्या रहता है भाई? ओ भाई बहन, determiner क्या रहता है? Quantifiers होता है.
Defines.
मैंने कुछ quantity लगाया क्या उधर? कितने कार
नहीं.
से बोला कि मैंने नहीं बोला?
No.
So ultimately it is also correct. And
These are few
these
cars.
are few cars. These are few cars. ऐसा बोला तो किसी को कुछ मसला है? These are few cars or there are few cars, मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ मैं. So there are few cars. So few cars. Few is what? What is few? Determiner. Cars
Determiner.
plural countable noun. तो simple उसने बोला क्या? With the plural form, we can use determiners or we can use without determiners. Both are absolutely correct. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No.
Simple. Now,
No.
now we can have here some of the determiners which are there. For example, given below. A, we have already done, and done. The, we have done. So whatever we have done, are we going to time pass again? No. Next, A done and done. Next, both. ये हमारा हुआ नहीं है. Can you please give me some sentences with both? Now, when do we use both? For
Two people.
for
For
Two
two
things.
two person.
two people on two things.
Two
Two
things.
people and two things. Two people and two things. Can you please give me some sentences with both? Jaldi.
We both are go to
We
watch
both are.
movie.
Pardon? Pardon, ma'am.
You both are correct.
Correct.
You both look great.
Very good.
This
चलो भाई.
both apple belongs to me.
Correct. Both the books are covered. Both places are nice to visit.
Both are you coming in the party?
Good. Yes.
Both
Both the
laptop.
laptops are not working. Yes. Yes. चलो रमेश भाई जल्दी चलो फटाफट.
You both are
Both
smart.
bikes are expensive.
Correct. Next. Miss Mehak. Miss Sana.
You both adorable.
You both are adorable. Good. Next.
You both are attend the meeting.
Ravi
both are
and Shoaib
attending the
both are
meeting.
loyal person.
Correct. Loyal person. No.
You both
Loyal?
are good looking.
Oh, अरे रुको मैडम, गुड लुकिंग होंगे वो लोग, 2 मिनट रुको तो. रवि एंड जय both are loyal person.
Yes, sir.
Persons.
No, people. We must say yes or no. We can say persons.
Loyal
It is
people.
also correct because plural. But we must say people. Person का plural क्या है? People है ना?
People.
Yeah. So we can say both are people, not person. Huh?
Okay.
Next, चलो. Plural लेना plural. चलो फटाफट चलो. Both.
You both are meant for each other.
Good. Ha. Make sentences. Both are beautiful. Next.
They both open for Indian team.
Very good. Next. Next one. Both are playing well.
You both are center forward.
Very good. Both the players are on bench.
They both care a lot.
Very good. Both. Next.
Both the pins
They
are not
both are
working.
good chef.
Very good. They both are good chef.
Both pass the examination.
Correct. Both of them pass examination. Today your homework is there, unit number 82. 82 from grammar book. Okay? Unit number
Okay, sir.
82 from grammar book. Oh, खाली ओके सर बोल के चलेगा नहीं, मैं कल पूछूंगा ये. Unit number
Yes, sir.
82 from grammar book. Right? या भूलना नहीं, आपको उसकी कसम करके आना ये. पहले 74 75 मैंने दिया था आप लोगों को, 76 भी दिया था आप लोगों ने, किया नहीं रहेगा शायद वो. 81 82 भी दिया था मैंने शायद. 83 84.
सर
So,
एक बार फिर से बोल सकते हो, मुझे आवाज नहीं आई.
82 ग्रामर बुक के अंदर जो है 82 यूनिट नंबर आपका होमवर्क है आज का. रेड कलर की ग्रामर बुक दिया था ना मैंने, याद आ रहा है?
क्या है सर उसमें?
उसके अंदर 82 जो यूनिट है उसको प्रैक्टिस करके आने का घर पे. ओके
ओके सर.
चलो नेक्स्ट. सम ऑलरेडी वी हैव फिनिश्ड. यस नो? सम के ऊपर सेंटेंस कर करके पक गए हम लोग. एनी वी हैव फिनिश्ड. मच वी हैव फिनिश्ड. अ लॉट ऑफ वी हैव फिनिश्ड. हाँ, दिस इज रिमेनिंग 2. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस 2? ये 2 का मतलब क्या है?
Same quality or same expression.
Same here.
Same quality and same expression. 2. This 2 means what? Very much. This is too much. सुना रहेगा आप लोगों ने. It's too hot. Yes or no? It's
Yes, sir.
too cold outside now. It's too raining. मतलब नहीं बहुत. This 2 means what? Very. ये 2 का मतलब है very. Is that clear? चलो.
Yes, sir.
Make sentences with 2. For example, the destination is too far. The man is too handsome. बहुत. Too loudly. Yes, continue.
The baby is too cute.
The baby is too cute. By the way, unit number 82 ही नहीं, unit number 74 to 84 होमवर्क है आप लोग का ये. और ये मुझे मंडे के दिन चाहिए किसी भी हालत में. मंडे के दिन पूरा करके चाहिए मुझे ये. टफ नहीं है कुछ भी, ऑलरेडी आप लोग का हो चुका है ये आप लोग का ऑलरेडी मैंने करा के दिया था. ओके ग्रामर बुक के अंदर से आप लोग को यूनिट नंबर 74 to 84 करके लेके आना है. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
या बहुत इजी है, झटके में हो जाएगा. आप लोग खाली पढ़ के उसको एक बार छोड़ देना, रट्टा मारते बैठना नहीं यहाँ आपको, उसकी कसम. चलो नेक्स्ट.
The water is
चलो
too
चलो
cold.
चलो चलो. वेरी गुड. द वाटर इज टू कूल. नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट 2.
He had been spending too much time.
Very good. Next.
RDX
Much
is too
clever.
much explorer.
Aha. Next.
Explosive.
I was too excited.
Explosive. Yeah, excited. Next.
The ball is swinging too much.
Good. I've written in the chat box. Please have a look here. Unit number 74 to 84 from grammar book. I want it desperately on Monday. Is that clear? किसी भी हालत में मुझे चाहिए वो. नहीं रहेगा मैं आगे का नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा. मेरे को तुम्हारे प्यार की कसम. Continue. चलो भाई.
The dress
Yes.
was too long.
Very good. Next. Next. 2. The luggage
You
is
are
too
too
heavy.
cheap. You are too cheap.
Oh my god. Next.
She is adding too much salt.
Very good.
Today is too much
The
rain.
journey is too far.
Very good. Next. Next.
You flirt
They are
with
too
her
foodie.
too.
Good. They are too foodie. Next. Next. Okay. Next, a little we have finished. Next one is what? Each. What do you mean by each? Each मतलब
Quantity.
Specific.
हर एक. हर एक. We are using each for singular. हर एक मतलब जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं मराठी में प्रत्येक. हर एक. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना हर एक ने होमवर्क करके लेकर आना है. Each one of you must do the homework. Is that clear? Each and everyone should be present on Monday. Each one of you will come on Monday. मतलब आप में से हर एक आदमी. तो it is used for singular. हर एक के लिए हम लोग बोलते हैं ना हर एक ने आना है. So हर एक मतलब है नहीं each. Can you please give me good sentences with each?
We know each other.
In the morning.
We know each other. Yes.
Each player should
Each come
perform
in the
well.
morning.
Each come in the morning. Each player.
Each player should perform well.
Correct. Each player should perform well. Next. My each book is from Oxford and Cambridge. मेरी हर एक book Oxford और Cambridge की है.
Each
Each
book
की.
was written in pen.
Correct. Each book was written in pen. Next. Each certificate is certified. Yes. Each मतलब है नहीं हर एक. Give me good sentences. अभी नहीं बनाएंगे sentence तो भूल जाएंगे. Please make
Each bikes
sentences.
are tested.
Each bike is tested. Is tested. Singular है ना?
Bikes are नहीं हो सकते.
No, it is singular, my dear. Each bike मतलब इन्हें हर एक बाइक टेस्ट की गई है. So
Okay.
each bike is tested. हर एक बाइक. हर एक. देखो मैंने each के ऊपर एक लिखा भी हूँ मैंने. Next.
Each laptop has that feature.
Correct.
They stare at each other.
Correct.
We should love each other.
Correct. Miss Mehak, Miss Sana, Miss Aisha, make sentences. Jai.
We helped each other.
We helped each other.
Each
Yes.
chair costs 10 rupees.
Correct. नहीं
He
बनाएंगे तो
paid
भूल
each
जाएंगे.
day.
Good. He paid for each day. Correct.
We each have talked about lockdown.
Correct. Each one has to take a vaccine.
Let's help each.
Let's help each.
Each should contribute 100 rupees.
Correct. Yes.
Each have completed the task.
Correct. Yes.
We think about each other.
We think about each other. Next.
We give each other life.
Very good. We give each other some life. Okay. Next one is what? A few. We have already finished it, right? A few हमारा हुआ था पहले भी. Next one, enough. What do you mean by enough?
पर्याप्त बहुत हुआ.
Limited
Bus
quantity.
हुआ.
Correct. Limited काफी है बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. Each. Sorry, enough. Can you please give me some sentences with? I think these sentences are enough for this. ऐसा हम लोग बोलते हैं ना.
Yeah.
Yes, continue please.
You are enough to talk.
Correct. Yes. Yes.
The boss shares enough of knowledge.
Very good.
She had enough. She had enough for the entire family.
Very good.
The
That
water
is
was
enough
enough
for
to
me.
swim.
Yes.
That is enough for me.
Good.
The water was enough to swim.
Correct. Yes. Enough. Sachin played enough crickets. I have enough rice in my plates. I
My
I
phone
eat
battery is enough
enough
to
food.
watch movie.
करेक्ट माई फोन बैटरी इज इनफ टू वॉच मूवी मेरी फोन की बैटरी काफी है मूवी देखने के लिए मींस इट इज इनफ
We have enough time.
करेक्ट वी हैव इनफ टाइम टू सबमिट
I have enough. I have enough to drink a coffee. The
करेक्ट
coffee.
करेक्ट करेक्ट आई हैव इनफ टू ड्रिंक कॉफी नेक्स्ट आई
That's
हैव
enough for
इनफ
today.
कॉफी टू ड्रिंक दैट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे आज के लिए इतना काफी है नेक्स्ट
I have enough to buy a
यस
car.
आई हैव इनफ टू बाय अ कार
Holidays enough to me.
करेक्ट फॉर मी टू मी बोलता करेक्ट नेक्स्ट these many holidays are enough in lockdown I'm enough with this lockdown बहुत हो गया यार अभी बहुत दिमाग खराब हो गया लॉकडाउन yes anything else enough the moment when you're going to practice unit number 74 to 84 you'll complete each and everything in this one so please go accordingly
I'm enough to play cricket now.
yes continue please
I'm enough to play cricket now.
yes I'm enough to play
I
cricket now
have had enough food.
I have had enough food yes
Do you think your friends spend enough time with you?
do you think your friend spent enough time with you next Miss Aisha Miss Sana
He is smart enough for the
enough
job.
correct he's smart enough for the job good one
Did you eat enough?
correct did you eat enough yes
I don't have enough money.
I don't have enough money this much is enough for passing the exam I studied enough to crack the interview I have invested enough money and I have invested enough gold yes
Elon Musk has enough to land to the moon.
correct
This medicine enough.
She is not good enough for him.
correct correct
I don't have enough time.
very good I don't have enough time my father is enough to take care of me yes काफी है
He has enough talent to take penalty.
correct yes enough
A word is enough to the wise.
correct enough
We have enough bread for breakfast.
correct Miss
I
Aisha
was unfortunate enough to lose my keys.
lose my keys
Okay, yes.
correct
She
I was
enough
enough
to watch
unfortunate to
TV.
lose my keys good she watches enough TV she watches TV enough
He have enough energy to take
he
a
has
long trip.
he has enough energy to go for a long trip
Children have enough time to play on phones.
correct
She is enough to do exercise.
good okay have a look here next one is what all when do we use all simple बहुत ज़्यादा simple है all means what
Many.
सब
So,
Everyone.
many correct every सब कुछ for example all batches are full Yes. He
He
plays
travel
all the
all-
time.
He travel all
Yeah.
over the world.
Correct. He travels all over the world.
All slots are booked.
It's all black.
Correct. All slots are booked. Booked.
All flowers are
It's
beautiful.
all
All
black.
flowers are beautiful. It's all black.
He
Gotta make
attends
some good
all
sentences.
lectures.
Correct.
All
He attends
laptops are
all.
useless.
Correct. Yes. Yes.
All phones have manufacturing defect.
Correct.
Are you all right?
Arey, shut up.
They are
Yes,
all
continue.
having fun.
They all are having fun. Yes. Yes.
After all, who knows?
Correct.
All
After
cars
all,
are
who
red.
knows?
All cars
All
are
cars
red.
are red. Correct.
It's all over.
It's all over.
That's
Yes.
all you wanted.
That's all you wanted. Good. बहुत easy है. Next one, most. Can you please give me good sentence with most? Most मतलब है नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना most. For example, most
Yeah.
of the time, most people. Yes or no? Most people are drunk in this party. Most of the people are drunk. He plays cricket most of the time.
You are most favorite person in my life.
Most of the employees have been kicked out from the company. Yes.
Most animals in this area.
Correct. Jai.
Messi is most talented person in football. Player in football.
Correct. Player in football. Yes.
I have most of app installed.
Correct. Yes. Most of the time, most of the people, most of the cars are coming with airbag now. Most of the cars are coming with airbag now.
She is most best dancer.
Pardon?
She is most best dancer.
Not exactly. Yes.
Time is most precious.
Very good. Yes.
He was the most famous president.
Very good.
Most of the water is contaminated.
Correct.
Most people going outside.
Very good.
Most of the shirts are defective.
Very good.
Most goats sold nowadays.
Good. Yes, continue please. Jaldi jaldi. Yes, continue please.
She spent most of her money on clothes.
Good.
Kashmir is most beautiful place in India.
Most. Correct. Most beautiful place. Anything else with most?
Most of the travel places are banned.
Correct. Most of the hotels are available for parcels. Most of the
people,
colleges. Yes.
most people is think so much.
Most of the people think so much. Next.
Most of the people wear mask.
Correct. Most of the people are wearing mask.
Most students are preparing for the final exams.
Correct. Okay, next one is what? No. Easier. Very easy. For example, I have no time. I have no money. There is no fun. There will be no lockdown in December. This is just a dream. Idiots. I don't know what the shit are they going to do this. Lockdown, big down, lockdown, big down. Nothing was there, and still making lockdown. Idiots. Yes, give me some sentences with no. No.
I have no friends.
I have no friends.
I have no time.
I have no time.
I have no more
You should know it.
I have no more
sentence.
sentences. Jay.
You should know it.
जय फेंकना नहीं बेटे, फेंकना नहीं जय. Next. Yes. They have no senses. Sense ही नहीं यार उन लोग को.
No one will lie like that.
Very good. But मुझे अभी no one नहीं चाहिए दोस्त. मुझे no one नहीं चाहिए. No one नीचे आने वाला है. I want only.
Do you know who is she?
अरे जय, अरे मैं उधर पहुंचू क्या जय? अरे दोस्त वहां पे उसने ये नो वो वाला नहीं है, ये आप जो बोल रहे थे ना अभी, ये डू यू नो वो KNOW वाला है. डू यू नो हु इज शी, क्या आप जानते हैं कौन है वो? ये नो का मतलब होता है नहीं.
Sir, okay sir, okay.
हाँ, इसका मतलब होता है नहीं. सी मैं आपको पहले सेंटेंस बताता हूँ तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि वो एग्जैक्टली बोलना क्या है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव नो मनी, मतलब मेरे पास में मनी नहीं है. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? आई डोंट हैव मनी. बराबर बराबर कि नहीं?
Yes sir.
Yes.
तो उसकी जगह पे हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? आई हैव नो मनी. सिंपल सिंपल सा सेंटेंस है, वही सेंटेंस है, खाली उसको हम लोग अलग तरीके से बोलते हैं, बस ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई डोंट हैव टाइम. बराबर बोलते कि नहीं हम लोग ऐसा?
Yes sir.
Yes.
उसकी जगह पे हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? आई हैव
No time.
नो टाइम. सिर्फ पॉजिटिव वे में बोलते हैं इसको, बस इतना ही है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. और
I have no problems.
करेक्ट
I have no money.
करेक्ट
There was no reason.
करेक्ट
You have no respect for her.
करेक्ट. आप कैसे बोले? बराबर एकदम गुड.
Sir, वो अभी समझ
No
आया
one
ना.
wanted to go.
आगे सही. नो वन नहीं लेना, नो वन नहीं लेना, नो वन नीचे आने वाला है. ओनली नो चाहिए मुझे, सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये चाहिए, बाकी चीजों को हाथ मत लगाओ, चटका लगता है. ओनली नो.
I have no battery in my phone.
करेक्ट. आई हैव नो बैटरी. आई हैव नो चार्जिंग. यस.
There is no school.
There is no school in this area. No hotels are giving parcels right now. Yes.
There are no
I have
comments.
no extra pen.
There are no comments. I want no comments. Yes.
No, I will eat later.
Okay.
I have no extra pen.
Correct. I have no extra pen. I have no knowledge about it. I have no knowledge. Yes. I have no idea about it. I have
No, it was a fair ball.
Repeat.
No, it was a delivery.
It was no delivery. Okay, delivery. Next. Next.
There's no need.
for me.
No need. Correct. Yes.
He has no time for me.
Correct. No time.
There is no electricity in our area.
Correct. गरीब लोग हैं हम लोग, देखो हमारे एरिया
No students were absent.
students were absent. Okay, none. Same. None.
I have no doubt.
I have no doubts. Very good. Okay, what do you mean by none?
No.
No. Same है. Meaning उसका same ही आएगा. None. But none के लिए use हो रहा है यहाँ पर, person के लिए use हो रहा है especially.
Hmm.
Getting it? None we are using for person. Can you please give me good sentences with none?
None of you were present.
Correct. None of you were present yesterday. आप लोगों में से कोई भी present नहीं था.
None of your business.
It is none of your business. Very good.
None of
None
them
will
listened
help
to
you
the
when you
order.
will be in trouble. None will help you when you will be in trouble. जब आप लोग तकलीफ में रहेंगे, कोई आपको हेल्प नहीं करेगा. None will help you. Yes.
Hmm.
Actually,
None
no
of you
one
are
था, no one.
qualified for job.
Correct. वो no one था ना, no one. Hello. जो no one था ना, no one.
Hmm.
ये no one का ही भाई है ये, none. वहीं से बना है वो word. None. No one से बना है none. कुछ नया नहीं है उसके अंदर. चलो कंटिन्यू. जल्दी प्लीज. None.
None of listen to you.
Correct. None of listen to you. Next. None is coming for the picnic right now. कोई भी नहीं आ रहा है.
None of this is real.
Good. None of this is
I
real.
I know none of them.
I know none of them.
None of them listen
The
to
keys
order.
are getting pressed.
Pardon?
None of them listen to order.
None of them listen the order. Next.
None of the keys are getting pressed.
Correct.
None of
None of
subjects
them
are
are
common.
Begin. Miss Sana.
Of the subjects are common.
Correct.
None of us speak English.
Correct. Aisha ma'am.
None of waste her time.
None of you will waste time.
It's
Okay.
none of your business.
It's none of your business. Good. Okay. We have finished with every will be coming separately later on. One and once. These are also correct. Sorry, these are also the same, which we are going to see later. Have a look here. Next one is what? Any. Main है अभी हमारे पास में, उनको देखो पहले. Any plus, for example, anybody, anyone. Anybody, anyone, both are the same.
Same.
And we use it for person. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody, anyone, both are the same.
Same.
And we are
Same.
using for only person. Can you please give me some sentence with anybody, anyone?
Anybody can dance.
Next.
Anybody go outside?
Anybody can go out.
Anybody to watch movie.
Anybody can watch movie. Jay, make some sentences. Anybody can commit a suicide. Can anyone please tell me this address? Please, anyone help me?
Does anyone have a pen?
Does anyone have a pen? Good one. Does
Anyone explain this?
Any?
Anyone explain this?
Okay. Correct. It is correct. Yes.
Anybody have mobile charger?
Is there anybody who has mobile charger? Good one. Anybody can leave right now.
Anybody can go there.
Anybody can go there.
Anybody have time.
Can anyone give me change?
No, Miss Megha. Can anybody please give me change? Good. Hey, कोई मेरे को छुट्टा दे रहा है?
Anybody have time.
नहीं सहेली, सेंटेंस गलत हो रहा उनमें. Anybody have time? हम लोग पहली बात तो ऐसे बोलेंगे नहीं. पहली बात तो anybody जो है, anybody और anyone, it is absolutely singular. और singular के साथ में have use नहीं होता. क्या use होता है?
Have.
Correct.
You are not audible.
Hello. Hello.
Audible, sir.
Audible.
रमेश भाई. चाइना मोबाइल छोड़ दो. Continue. Yes, anybody, anyone. Yes,
I don't know anyone there.
I don't know anyone there. Next. Yes,
Does anyone have a pen?
does anyone have a pen?
Can anybody have an idea?
Can anybody
Give an idea.
give an idea? Okay,
Anyone can learn to draw.
correct. Anyone can learn. Jai. Miss Sana. Miss Aisha. Anybody, anyone? Anybody can make sentences with anybody. Anyone can make sentences with these determiners. Anyone can learn English. Anyone may ask you for this. Anybody?
Does anybody know about vaccination?
Correct. Does anybody know about vaccination? Good girl.
Anyone message him?
Anybody?
Message him.
Please anybody message him. ऐसे जनरली हम लोग बोलते नहीं है, ऐसे बोलते हैं प्लीज somebody message him. कोई तो मैसेज करो रे इसको. Next, anything. We are using only for things. Anything we are using for only for things. Can you please give me some sentences with anything?
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible. Oh my god. Yes.
You can do anything.
Oh my god. You can do anything. Really? Continue.
Anything can happen from now on.
Anything can happen now.
I never wanted anything.
Pardon? He never wanted anything.
I never wanted
I
anything.
can't see anything.
I never wanted anything. मुझे पहले से कभी कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं था. I can't see anything. आहा. मुझे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है मम्मा. Yes. Anything. तुमच्यासाठी काय पण. Anything for you. Make
Take anything
sentences.
you want.
Pardon?
Take anything you want.
Do you want anything? I don't know anything about it. Oh भाई sentences चलो. Anything? You can speak anything, but don't abuse.
Would you like anything else?
Ask me
Like
anything.
anything else? Ask me anything.
I'll do anything.
I'll do anything. Yes.
Is anything wrong?
Is anything wrong? Good one. Mr. Ramiz, Rosa है अपना. Make sentences. Miss Mahek,
You shouldn't eat anything cold.
good. Miss Aisha,
Is anything missing?
is anything
Missing.
missing? Next.
I don't want to do anything risky.
Very good. Very lazy. Next.
No one saw anything.
Good. Miss Mahek, Miss Sana, anything?
You don't say anything.
Don't say anything.
Do you want anything?
Do you want anything? Don't tell me anything about him.
Don't ask me anything.
Don't ask me anything. मुझे
I
कुछ
can't say anything.
I can't say anything. मैं कुछ बोलने वाली नहीं. Yes. Jai, they did not give me anything. उन्होंने कुछ दिया ही नहीं मुझे. Yes, anything? Okay. बहुत easy आता है हम लोग को.
Could you
Any
say
doubt?
anything?
Could you see anything?
I don't know anything about her relationship.
Oh. Can you please make some sentence with anywhere? Anywhere मतलब है नहीं? कहीं भी. Anywhere? कहीं भी. कहीं भी. You can go anywhere. जहाँ तुम्हारा दिल चाहता वहां जा सकते हो तुम. कहीं भी जाओ.
I can visit anywhere.
Good.
Don't go in.
Don't go anywhere. Yes, anywhere.
I can sleep anywhere.
I can sleep anywhere in my house. Yes,
You can go anywhere.
you can go anywhere.
Nobody going anywhere.
Nobody is going anywhere.
In
कोई कहीं नहीं जा
lockdown,
रहा है.
don't go anywhere.
In the lockdown, don't go anywhere.
I don't see them anywhere.
I don't see them anywhere. Yes,
She find anywhere.
you can find it anywhere. आपको कहीं भी मिल सकता है ये तो.
I'll go anywhere you want.
I'll go anywhere you want.
I can work anywhere I want.
I can work anywhere I want. Mr. Ramiz. Next, Miss Aisha. Anywhere. Continue, please.
We won't be safe anywhere.
Good. Jai. Miss Mahek. Miss Sana. Anywhere.
Please join company anywhere.
Good. Next. Anywhere. You can find this shop anywhere.
anywhere.
You can buy it from anywhere.
Did you go anywhere yesterday?
Good. Did you go anywhere yesterday? Jai cheating किया कहीं से?
You find
दिमाग
faith
चला रहा हूँ
people
तो
anywhere.
सेंटेंस मिल जाए.
Oh my God. दिमाग चला रहा हूँ. Unexpected चीज कर रहा है मेरा जय. Very good boy. Continue.
You find people anywhere.
You can find such people anywhere. आपको ऐसे एडेड ढक्कन लोग कहीं पर भी मिल सकते हैं. You can
I-
find such people anywhere.
I can't see
I
it
didn't
anywhere.
send anywhere.
I didn't.
Send anywhere.
Good. Next.
I can't see anywhere.
I can't see anywhere. I can't see him anywhere.
You
Yes.
could dinner anywhere.
You could.
You could dinner anywhere.
You could have dinner anywhere. Yes.
सर मुझे वो हैव का अभी भी नहीं समझा और हैव से क्वेश्चन भी कैसे बनाते वो भी नहीं समझा.
मतलब मैं समझा नहीं आपकी बात. क्या बोल रही हैं आप?
मतलब आप हैव से भी कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस बनाते हो ना सर और बीच में कोई सेंटेंस में हैव भी लगता है वो क्यों लगता है.
वो अपना भी एक्चुअली हुआ नहीं है ना मैडम. वो है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. वो भी अपना बाकी है. करके भी आपको शायद वो समझा नहीं रहेगा. आप हैव और हैज के टाइम पे थे क्या आप जब मैं हैव और हैड कर पढ़ा रहा था?
और थी शायद.
हाँ. हेलो मैडम.
हाँ सर थी मैं.
आपने वो वीडियो देखा था वापस से?
नहीं सर.
मैडम आपको वीडियो देखना चाहिए. हैव का मैंने सेंटेंस कैसे बनाया था, उसको फिर कैसे बोलते हैं वगैरह वगैरह, बहुत सारी चीजें थी उसके अंदर. वो वीडियो जो था ना हैव वाला, उसको वापस से देखो. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है वो. खास मैंने इसके लिए तो पढ़ाया था वो. वापस से देखो उसको. कभी अपना प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस आगे चल के टेंसेस आएंगे ना, उसके अंदर वो क्लियर हो जाएगा. आपको वो चीज पता नहीं है कि हैव और हैज लगता कहाँ से कैसे लग रहा है वो. डोंट वरी, मैं इंशाल्लाह आगे चल के बताने वाला हूँ.
ओके सर.
यस, कंटिन्यू प्लीज.
You can't go anywhere till lockdown.
You can't go anywhere till this
Till
lockdown.
okay.
You can put it anywhere.
You can put it anywhere. Next. Yes.
Are you going anywhere?
Are you going anywhere? Yes.
Nobody going anywhere.
Nobody is going anywhere.
You find
Next.
computer class anywhere.
I don't find any computer classes anywhere.
I'm
Okay.
not driving anywhere.
I'm not.
Driving.
Okay, I'm not driving anywhere. Can you please give me some sentence with any time? कभी भी.
You can call me anytime.
हाँ, you can call me anytime. मेरे को कभी भी कॉल करो. आताश में. Continue.
Anytime I notice.
Pardon?
You can ask me
I
anytime.
notice.
You can ask me anytime. Miss Sana,
Anytime I notice.
correct? Anytime. Yes, anytime. Yes, anytime.
I can watch the movie anytime.
I can watch this movie anytime. Please make some sentences. Yes. Anytime. I'll be ready for you anytime. Yes.
I can come here anytime.
I can come here anytime.
She can study anytime.
She can study anytime.
I will be help you anytime.
Good. Yes, anytime.
We can strike anywhere anytime.
We can strike anywhere, anytime. Yes,
He can help anytime.
he can help anytime. Yes,
Anytime she makes shit sentence.
pardon?
Anytime she makes shit sentence.
Okay. Yes, anytime.
Teacher would become anytime.
Teacher would come anytime. Two verbs we can't use together. Would be come kaisa aayega dost? Teacher would come anytime.
We can do it again anytime.
We can do it again anytime. Yes. By the way, any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Any questions?
Oh, sir.
No, sir.
Please practice this at home. The remaining part also, and tomorrow we are going to finish it over here. Okay, and tomorrow I'm going to start a new chapter. So please don't be absent, otherwise may God help you. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Cheerio.
Okay, sir. Cheerio.
Cheerio. Sayonara.